Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to switch off service sign for Renault Duster, which is showing in this car. See, now this give me this sign for the service. Let me show you this sign. See this sign. How can we switch off? First of all, if the engine is on of your car, so make sure the engine is off. Make it switch off the car, okay, and then you can proceed for further. So I switch off the engine right now, and I will just make switch on the ignition and will not start the engine. I just switch on the ignition only. See, and now you will just looking for the service interval, and how you will look in these two keys. See, up and down, you will use these two keys and will searching for the service interval. Let us see. Now I'm changing. You can see I'm using only these two keys and changing these two keys up and down, okay. And in these two keys you can go until you reach to the service interval. Let me change, see 0 kilometer now, and let's see now service interval. So now you will have to press this key for a long time, the up one, and it will start blinking. See, oil change in 0 kilometer. It show me now, and see, let's see, I am pressing this key for a long time until it's resetted. The sign is off. See, I switch off the sign. So thank you so much for watching the video. And this sign for the engine, because I just only switch on the ignition but the engine is off. Thank you for the watching. Have a nice day.